The day began with a visit to Golden Aero Wooden Manufacturing Sedan Berhad in Nibong Tebal, a prominent member of the Penang Furniture and Timber Industry Association (PFTIA). The delegation was welcomed by Dato Ooi Teng Hai, Managing Director of Golden Aero Wooden Manufacturing Sedan Berhad. Established in 2000, Golden Aero specializing in the manufacturing of wooden doors known for its quality workmanship and ability to meet various architectural requirements. In the afternoon, the delegation paid a courtesy visit to Kampung Sungai Semambu, Bukit Mertajam, under the government's Program Santuni MADANI. The visit was a collaborative session where MTC Management engaged with local leaders to gain insights into the community's vision and ongoing efforts focused on empowering Kampung Sungai Semambu community through impactful initiatives for lasting development. Engagements include discussions with Encik Alias, Chairman MPKK Kampung Tok Ilong, Encik Salihan Jahaya, Kadun Penanti Coordinator Officer, and the other community representatives, including leaders from the local mosque and JPKKP. The day concluded with the 50th anniversary dinner of the Penang Furniture and Timber Industry Association (PFTIA), where Tuan Haji Zainal Abidin served as guest of honor. MTC was proud to support the Golden Jubilee celebration as one of the event sponsors, reaffirming its commitment to the industry's continued growth and legacy.